Have you ever wondered why cars and trucks do the things they do? That's what this series is all about. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and in this Have You Ever Wondered Why series, I break down common automotive questions I get asked every day out in the field, working on cars, trucks, SUVs, so you understand what's normal, what's not, and when it actually matters. So let's start with a big one. Have you ever wondered why engine oil turns black? Have you ever wondered why you put brand new, clean, golden engine oil into your car or truck, and a short time later, you check the dipstick and it's already black? A lot of people see that and immediately think something's wrong. They think the oil's bad, the engine's worn out, or that something serious is going on. In most cases, that black oil is actually doing exactly what it's designed to do. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is a question I get asked all the time out in the field, working on cars, trucks, SUVs, doesn't matter. Let's break it down in plain English. Inside every engine, combustion is happening thousands of times per minute. Fuel and air ignite, creating power, but they also create heat, pressure, and microscopic carbon particles called soot. Even in a healthy engine, no engine is perfectly sealed. There's always a small amount of something called blow-by. That's when tiny amounts of combustion gases slip past the piston rings and make their way into the crankcase. Those gases carry carbon, fuel vapors, and other contaminants straight into the engine oil. And this is where oil comes in. Engine oil isn't just there to lubricate parts. Modern oil is a chemical package. It contains detergents and dispersants specifically designed to trap dirt, carbon, and microscopic debris and keep it suspended in the oil. Chemically speaking, the detergents, usually calcium or magnesium-based compounds, bind to carbon particles. The dispersants keep those particles evenly mixed throughout the oil so they don't clump together and turn into sludge. As the oil does that job, it darkens. So when oil turns black, that usually means it's cleaning the engine and holding contamination where it belongs, inside the oil, not baked onto internal engine parts. Think of oil like a trash bag. A clean trash bag doesn't mean your house is clean, it means the trash hasn't been picked up yet. Once the bag is full, it did its job, but now it needs to be replaced. Same idea with engine oil. Now, diesel engines are a whole different animal. If you've ever changed oil in a diesel and noticed it turns black almost immediately, that's normal. Diesel combustion produces more soot than gasoline engines, so the oil loads up faster. The color alone doesn't mean the oil is worn out. Color does not equal condition. Here's where people get tripped up. Dark oil by itself is usually normal, but oil becomes a problem when it breaks down. If the oil feels gritty between your fingers, looks thick or sludgy, smells strongly of fuel, or has that burnt smell, that oil is cooked. That means the additive package is depleted, the oil is oxidizing, and it's no longer protecting bearings, camshafts, and cylinder walls. That's when engines start eating themselves from the inside out. Short trips, excessive idling, towing, stop-and-go driving, overheating, and overdue oil changes all accelerate oil breakdown. Once the oil can't hold contamination anymore, it turns into sludge, and sludge is an engine killer. That's why mechanics say, oil is cheap, engines aren't. So if you check your oil and it's dark but still smooth, not thick, not gritty, and you're within your oil change interval, don't panic. That oil is working. But if you're pushing oil changes or ignoring maintenance, that black oil can turn into a real problem fast. So have you ever wondered why engine oil turns black? It's because it's cleaning your engine, trapping contamination, and preventing metal on metal wear. Black oil usually means protection. Dirty, broken down oil means damage. Change it on time, use quality oil, and your engine will thank you with a long, quiet life. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.